Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to be making some all-American burgers tonight. Vegan, of course. It's a little bit of like diners, drive-ins, and dives that really set the stage for the American cuisine. That is burgers, hot dogs, pizza, lasagna, maybe. I don't know. What else? Comment your favorite American foods. We're going to try to make everything from scratch. I don't know how healthy this is going to be, but we're going to try to make it work. Am I proud to be an American? Do I at least know that I'm free? I did get my recipes from ChatGPT. Gotta give credit where credit is due. Thank you, robots. This is our dough. Say hello to the dough. Whoa. Parchment paper, but I haven't any, so I'm going to just use some oil, then cover them with a clean towel for 30 minutes, which probably not going to do 30 minutes, but we'll see. I'm going to move these into the oven. The oven is not preheated or anything, so there's no heat happening. I'm going to add this bean mix into a bigger bowl. Then add in my onions and garlic, the chia seeds. Then I would add breadcrumbs. I didn't have any, so I used some semolina flour. I also added in some spices. I didn't have any that were in the recipe, but I just added what I thought would be good. So I did some paprika and some dill. I've been loving dill recently. It's kind of an addiction. While those cook, I gotta do my Duolingo. J'adore la joue noire de Léa. J'adore tes bas. So I was going to make sweet potato fries with this, and then I realized I had 2 potatoes that were like hidden underneath of the sweet potato. So I'm going to make that instead. So I just put the buns in the oven, and they're set for 15 minutes. I think the oil is ready to go. I feel like you can't have a burger and fries without a milkshake, so that's what we're gonna do. I love chocolate, vanilla, like what do they call those? Black and white milkshakes? Those are my favorite. Vanilla ice cream. This is the vanilla bean. I feel like that's essential to a good vanilla milkshake. That much ice cream. Cacao powder. Some milk. This is soy milk. Ice. For a little bit more sweetness, I'm gonna add maple syrup. So hot. This is the final look. Pull up a chair in my kitchen because my back is hurting. Cheers. Wow. Wow. I can't come up with the words for how good this is.